and welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we have a resistance band ab workout. So if you are ready, go ahead and grab a resistance band and get on your mat and let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so for our first move today we have resistance band roll-ups. So let's go ahead, come to the side. We are going to bring our resistance band and we are going to loop it around our feet here, and we are just going to roll down slow and controlled, and then we are going to roll up. So we have 1 minute of this here, just rolling down and rolling up. My dog Lily here wants to play. She loves to play when I'm working out. She wants to play tug of war right now, I guess because I'm kind of like doing a tug of war with my resistance band. I'm getting a double workout here, resistance band and my dog Lily here. So she kind of works as her own little resistance band. So we are just rolling down here and then squeezing our abs when we come up. And she lost interest. She doesn't think that's a fun game anymore, I guess. So we're just coming up here. Y'all are doing a great job. We just have 5 more seconds. Okay, and let's go ahead and give me one more roll up here. Okay, go ahead and fix that resistance band, but leaving it here on our feet. And we are going to do a kind of similar motion, but we are only going halfway down now. So we are going about halfway down, and then we are lifting up. So we have 1 minute of rolling down halfway, and then lifting up. This is going to target our abs. This is another great move. So all of these moves today are Pilates inspired moves. And we are just really toning up the ab, the core, getting a great workout in. Y'all are doing such a great job. So we are on the resistance band workout series now. So far, I have done a resistance band arm workout. If you haven't seen that, check it out. It is in my playlist under arm workouts. And there's going to be a whole bunch more workouts coming soon that are going to be involving the resistance bands. And let's go ahead and give me 5 more seconds. So let's go ahead and do one more. Now we are going to leave that resistance band on our feet. You can readjust it if you need to. But let's go ahead and roll all the way down, and this time we are going to come about halfway up and then roll back down. So we are only coming up about halfway. At the top here, we're not coming up all the way, just halfway. This is going to really work those abs here, getting a great workout. Be sure to squeeze your core the entire time that you are working here. I really like this workout so far. I really enjoy using these resistance bands. They're a great tool for working out. And if you don't have any resistance bands, don't worry, you can still do this workout. You don't need any equipment. If you don't have any, resistance bands are just a great way to help you. But if you don't have any, don't worry, you can still do these moves without them. Alright, you got this. Just give me 5 more seconds. We can just do one more full one. And let's go ahead and stop here. So for our next move, we can go ahead and remove that band from our feet here. We are going to lift our legs about, and they're going to be bent here. We're going to place our resistance band behind our knees here, and we are going to roll down. And now we are just going to do a crunch here. And so let's go ahead and get started. So you can pull that band as much as you need to. I'm not going to have my hands on the edge of the band. I'm going to have them right about behind my knees here, and we're just crunching up. So someone had requested for me to show y'all how we do crunches. So for a crunch, you're going to be in the same position, and you are just going to squeeze your abs and you're going to lift up. You don't want to lift from your head or your neck here, which is why I like doing this with the resistance band, because we are not pulling up with our hands behind our head and lifting with our neck. We are really just squeezing with our abs here, lifting up and squeezing your abs, lifting with the core. And let's go ahead and give me 5 more seconds. Cinnamon also decided to join this workout. And let's go ahead and give me 2 more seconds. And 1. Okay, now we are moving on to our next move. So we are going to sit back up for me here. Okay, so now we are going to grab our resistance band. We are going to put it behind one of our feet here. Let's start off with our left foot here. And we are going to come up into V position here. And we are just going to pull in that left leg here. So we are holding V here, holding that V position. Now you can always modify this. If you can't hold this here, you can bring the other arm that is not working, you can bring that onto the ground here and just pull that leg in. Or if this is still too difficult, you can put that other leg down in your other hand and just pull that leg in. For the rest of us, we are just putting that left leg in here. Y'all got this. This move requires a bit of a balance, so if you are not great at holding boat position, you can always place that other hand down and that other leg too if you need it. Just give me 20 more seconds. Y'all can do this. Be sure to squeeze that core. That should help with your balance. And 10 more seconds. You got this. Come on, come on, push through. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's give that leg a rest here. Let's go ahead and switch. We're going to bring that resistance band underneath our right foot here, and we are going to come back up into V position, and we are going to bring that right leg in here. So we are just pulling that other leg in. As we come in, our right knee is bending here. If you can see, once again, if you need to modify this, you can bring that left hand down on the ground. You can also bring that left leg down too if you need it. The rest of us will be up in our V position. Y'all are doing such a great job. We are being innovative with our workouts here today with this resistance band, being creative, switching it up. Y'all are doing such a great job. And now we have 10 more seconds left. Y'all can do this. I believe in you. Just keep pushing through. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, bringing that down. Okay, so for the next move, you can bring that resistance band behind our feet again. And we are going to roll down like we were doing a crunch, but we are going to leave your feet up in tabletop position, holding on to each end of our bands here, and we are just going to push those feet out here. So we are doing leg extensions here. We just have about 1 minute of this here. So this move really targets those lower abs. I can definitely feel my lower abs right about now. How about y'all? And how do you like my decorations I have about the room? So I have some of my Easter decorations. I know in the last video, the resistance band arm workouts, I said that by the time you saw this video, I would have my room decorated for Easter. And I have this really cute Easter wreath up here. It's super cute, very adorable. And let's go ahead and do 5, 4, and 3, 2, and 1. So we are going to go ahead and take that right foot out of it, leaving our left foot into the band. Both of our feet are going to be in the air, and we are just going to single leg drop that left leg here. So we are having a resistance band in our left leg, and we are dropping that left leg here, leaving that right leg up in the air. Point your toes if you can. No big deal if you can't. So we are just dropping it down and dropping it down. I can really feel this one in my lower abs as well. So this whole resistance band arm workout, ab workout, is going to be focused on toning the whole abs here. So we have moves that focus on the entire core. We have moves that focus on our upper abs, moves that focus on our lower abs. So we have it all covered here. And continuing on about my decorations, I'll insert a little clip of the ones that I have over there on that chest. But they're super adorable. There's like 2 lambs, a bunny, and a little chick. So super cute. And let's go ahead and do 5, 4, and 3, 2, and 1. All right, while our foot is still up in the air, let's go ahead and slide that right foot into the resistance band. And let's go ahead and drop that right foot down. So we're squeezing our abs. Once again, squeezing our abs and our core the entire time. We are almost done. After this, we just have one more move. Y'all got this. You can do it. I'm super proud of y'all for sticking through this workout. I hope you enjoy this resistance band workout series that I am filming. I look forward in the future to filming more Pilates types of workout with equipment. I love switching it up, so the resistance bands are a great way to switch up the workout videos on my channel. And y'all are doing such a great job. We have less than 10 seconds on this move. Y'all got this? Come on. Keep pushing through. And 3, 2, and 1. Okay, you can give those legs just a break here for a couple seconds. Okay, so for our last move here, we are going to place both of those feet, the resistance band behind both of our feet here. And we are going to keep those feet up in the air. And we are going to be doing double leg lifts. So let's go ahead and begin. So this is a great move to really target those lower abs here. Really make sure you are squeezing the entire time. Y'all are doing such a great job. Some of y'all might be able to go further down using the resistance band than you would if you were just doing this without it. So let me know in the comments below if you enjoy using the resistance band. I'm super excited to film a stretch video using the resistance band. I think that should be great. Y'all are doing such a great job. And I don't know, you probably can't see my socks right now, but you might have been able to see them earlier. But they are bunnies. They're super cute for Easter. They are really adorable. And let's go ahead, give me 5 more seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, you can go ahead and bring that resistance band down because we've officially completed the workout portion of this video. So congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Y'all did a great job. And I hope that you stay tuned for the rest of the resistance band workout videos that will be coming soon. Be sure to check out the rest of my videos. Check out my playlist. I have a whole bunch. There's bound to be a workout routine that you will enjoy. And if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and do so below. Give this video a thumbs up and be sure to leave me a comment down below. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.